As I was a-walking through Dublin city, about the hour of 12 at night, it was there I saw a fair pretty female washing her feet by candlelight. First she washed them, then she dried them over a fire of angry coals. And in all my life I never did see a maid so neat about the soles. She had 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9. She had 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. I stopped to look, but the watchman passed to see a young fellow the night is late, and along with your honor I will wrestle you straight away to the bridal gate. I got the look from the Spanish lady, hot is a fire of angry coals, and in all my life I never did see a maid so neat about the soles. She had 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9. She had 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. As I walked back through Dublin city, as the dawn of day was on, oh, should I spy with the Spanish lady when I was weary and footsore? She had a heart so filled with loving, and her love she longed to share. And in all my life I never did see a maid who had so much to spare. She had 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9. She had 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. I have wandered north and I've wandered south, by Stony Batter and Patrick's Close, and looking around by the Gloucester Diamond, back by Napper Candy's house. But old age has laid its hand upon me, cold is the fire of ashy coal, and gone is the lovely Spanish lady, neat and sweet about the soles. Around and around goes the wheel of fortune, where a dress now wearies me. Oh, fair young maids of sorrow, seeming sad experience teaches me. She had 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9. She had 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3,